Oh my God.
It's raining cheese!
Greetings, fellow chefs. Today we're going to be celebrating possibly the most underrated root vegetable.
Hey, is it ready yet?
We're going to make a classic French onion soup. Let's get to it.
Use about 2 kilos of red and white onions. Trust me on the umami additives of soy, fish, and Worcestershire sauce. I'll explain later. Start by peeling, then slicing the onions hemispherically as shown. This may take a while. Then slice the red onions, which will be added towards the end of the cook. Enjoy the carrot chop, and in slow motion. Remove the long fibers from the celery and chop it up. The garlic was so thin it had only one side. You can use a baguette or French loaf. Grate the cheese. Gruyere is optimal, but you can use alternatives. Then you're going to saute the onions in butter and oil over medium-high heat for about 40 minutes, stirring pretty constantly. The pot may look like it's overflowing, but no worries, the volume will reduce by half as it cooks and caramelizes. The onions will lose a lot of moisture. About 30 minutes in, add the carrots and celery. Saute until moisture is gone and caramelization begins. Deglaze the pan with sherry or any semi-sweet liqueur. Then add 2 heaping tablespoons of flour, add butter if necessary. Then cook the roux for 5 minutes. This of course will help to thicken the soup. The quality of a good stock is vital. If you want to learn how, please reference my bone stock video. Then throw in the aromatics. Believe it or not, the umami ingredients will add a subtle but necessary depth to the flavors. And the answer is no, it will not taste fishy. Add red onions and garlic towards the end of the simmer, then remove the herbs when done, about 30 minutes. The bread painted with olive oil will be toasted in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. For that hint of garlic, gently rub the toast on both sides. As you build the serving bowl, fill with soup, then a layer of cheese, then a layer of toast, then completely smother with the rest of the cheese. You're going to broil that bad boy for about 3 minutes. Here's a smaller portion with different cheese. As a garnish, you can use chives, tarragon, parsley, whatever you want.
Moment of truth for chef. Oh wow, looks good. A little bit of bread, a little bit of cheese. Ooh, look at that consistency. My God. That's why I do not order this in a restaurant. I can't. Too good at home. Incredible. Moment of truth.
Okay.
Wow.
Into this.
Looks good.
Let's get
Get
some of
the
that
bread,
cheese.
Wait, keep it still.
Voila.
And?
C'est délicieux, mon chouchou. And
My
it's
food?
cheesy, it's crunchy, it's everything you'd want in a French onion soup.
Beautiful.
It's the stalactites and stalagmites of cheese.
So I hope y'all enjoyed that. I was really surprised at how rich the flavors were without adding any cream or just the natural flavors of the broth. Tonight, I'm going to finish with a Gurkha Rogue Warrior cigar and a spectacular bourbon Woodford Reserve Double Oaked. This one is very special. Keep cooking. Until next time.